First, download the VMware Workstation Player installer and the NOI.PH 2024 VM OVA files. The links are in the description below. So I'm here at the VMware Workstation Player download page. Just scroll down a bit and look for the download link. Similarly, for the NOI.PH 2024 VM OVA file, it's very easy to see where the download link is. Just click on it. I've now downloaded the VMware installer and the OVA files to my desktop. Just double-click on the installer to run it. You'll be asked if you want to allow the app to make changes to your device. Just hit yes. Now let's go over the installation steps. Just click next and accept the terms and click next. Alright, here you want to enable the enhanced keyboard driver. And you don't need to change this other setting. Just click next. And you don't need to change any settings here. Just click next. And just click next. If you don't want to have a desktop shortcut, it's up to you. But otherwise, just click next. And let's install. So this will take a while. Just wait for the installation to finish. When the installation finishes, you'll be asked if you want to enter the license now. You don't need that for now. Just click finish. And you'll be asked if you want to restart your PC. Just go ahead and restart. After your system has restarted, you're now ready to run the VM. Just double-click on the OVA file, and it should automatically open on the VMware workstation. You can name your virtual machine anything you want. I'm just going to call it NOI.PH 2024, and you can also choose where you want to save it. I'm just going to leave that as is for now. And click import, and wait for the VM to import. You might get this message saying that the import failed. Don't worry, just click on retry, and it should work. It really takes a while for the import process to take place, so just wait for it. And when it's done, you should see something happening. The Ubuntu operating system should start booting up, like you see here now. Alright, Ubuntu has booted up. Now we can log in and use the VM. So you might want to enter full screen mode. So let's do that. You can exit full screen mode again if you want to, using the same button. This could happen to you, where if you're inside Ubuntu, you can't see your cursor. If you try hard enough, you'll kind of know where your cursor is. So just try to point into this NOI contestant account and click on it. And if you move your mouse a little bit around, the moment that your mouse actually hits this password box, it's going to show up. Unfortunately, this seems to be a bug in Ubuntu. So if this happens to you, just randomly move your mouse around and there should be no more problems afterward. You should choose the NOI contestant account, and the password is also NOI-contestant in all small letters. So NOI-contestant. Alright, there you go. You're now inside the VM, and you can use any of the apps here. Check them out. You can open your favorite browser, and you can log into CMS. When you're done, just go to the upper right corner and click on Power Off. And this will power off the VM. Now, it could happen to you that you're unable to access the internet from inside the VM. If that happens to you, you should open the VMware Workstation Player program, look for the VM that you created, right-click, click on Settings, and look for this Network Adapter setting. And now instead of choosing this bridged option, choose the NAT option and click OK. Power on the VM again. When you're completely done with the VM and want to save space on your machine, just open the VMware Workstation Player program again and look for the VM and right-click, and you can click on Delete from Disk. And just click Yes to delete it permanently.